There's a question from Faisal Ahmad from Lucknow. What can the child do for one's parents after they die, so both the child and the parents benefit in the hereafter? Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said that after a person dies, when he goes to the grave, everything is gone. Only thing that returns are the good deeds he has done, the knowledge that he has spread, and his pious children praying for him. So the three things that are thawab jariya are the good deeds and the wealth that the person has spent, the knowledge that he has spread, and his pious children praying. Again, the question that what can a child do for the parents so that both benefit? The best thing he can do is become a pious human being. And once he becomes the pious human being, he should pray for his parents. So if he is pious and if he prays for the parents, inshallah the prayer will be accepted. Then you pray for your parents for Jannat al-Firdaus al-A'la. So you become pious, be a good Muslim, do all the faraiz, stay away from all the haram activities, do as much as mustahab, do dawah in your life, and if you're pious and pray for your parents, for their akhirah, for your akhirah, for Jannat al-Firdaus al-A'la, so that you and your parents and the company of Prophet ﷺ, then inshallah that will be the best for you as well as the best for them.